I wasn't talking since yesterday, but yesterday nothing much happened when I come back home, and I went to store and when I prayed my prayer, and today also was very hot, 90 Fahrenheit, and tidying. And now I eating my dinner, which is pierogi. I bought them in store, and I heat it up with some onion. And they are a little bit, as you can see, they are a little bit burned. Not much, but I like this kind. Okay, and they are called pierogi ruskie. Okay, see you later. When I have to pray my prayer on beats. So see you later. Bye. I'm at Market Square in Rynek. See horses, cute. Nice. Long time no see my Market Square. Here is Starbucks, Sephora. Maybe I go to Sephora. Yeah, they will do some sports, beach sports. So I had come back to home as it's late, and I hear some fireworks. Let's see. Wow, moon. They are not so visible. Only a little bit. Oh, Moon almost full. So yeah. See you later. Bye. And I will drink beer. Polish beer called żubr. Why not? Of how it's called, foam. Wow, so much. But it's so hot, it's nice to drink some beer. Sometimes, not every day. Today is next day, which is June 15, and it's really hot today. As always, as every day here is kind of hot, like 30 Celsius, which is like 90s. And I'm gonna go to store. Now I go out, so see you later. Got pierogi, which is dumplings. They have inside. They are called pierogi ruskie, and they have inside potatoes and cheese mixed together. I'm drinking this juice and mineral water because I have to be hydrated. Oh yeah. Okay, see you later. Bye.